This is the $70 ROKFORM Rugged Case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and this might have the most magnetic backplate I've tested on any rugged case so far. But ROKFORM also says it can protect your phone from drops as high as 6 feet, so today I'm going to test the magnets, go through the everyday design, and then drop my phone from several everyday heights to see if this case is actually worth $70. Let's start with the materials, fit, and finish. And my first impression is that this definitely feels like a rugged case. It's very rigid, the corners are thick, and compared to some of the more minimalist rugged cases I've tested, there's a lot going on with this design. ROKFORM makes both an all-black rugged version and a crystal version. The crystal case gives you a clear backplate, but because there are still so many thick black parts around the case, I don't think it looks as clean as more traditional clear cases. So personally, I'd probably choose the all-black rugged version that I have here. It makes the entire design feel much more intentional. Starting at the top, the camera plateau is partially covered. There's a raised edge around the camera lenses, so the lenses shouldn't make direct contact with a flat surface. But something I really like is how ROKFORM shaped the openings around the cameras, flash, and LiDAR sensor. Instead of having a tall straight wall next to everything, the edges taper downward toward these openings. That makes this area look much cleaner. And more importantly, keeping material away from the flash and camera openings can also reduce the chance of the case interfering with your photos. Moving down the back, you get this carbon fiber style texture. It isn't actual carbon fiber, but visually I think it fits the rugged design pretty well. And the finish does an excellent job resisting fingerprints and oils. But none of that is the most interesting thing about this backplate. That would be the magnets. Most MagSafe cases basically give you one magnetic ring around the wireless charging coil. ROKFORM takes that idea much further. You still get their MagSafe compatible magnetic ring around the center, but farther down the case, there's also another large magnetic area built into the lower third of the backplate. ROKFORM says its MagMax system provides up to 3 times the holding strength of ordinary MagSafe magnets. And according to ROKFORM, this lower magnet by itself can provide around 9.9 pounds of pull strength. Then things get even more crazy. Inside the box, ROKFORM includes an optional magnetic center plug. Once you install that, you now have the MagSafe ring, the lower magnet, and another magnet directly in the center. ROKFORM rates that center magnet at around 6.3 pounds of pull strength. So in terms of the sheer amount of magnetic hardware built into one phone case, this is probably the most magnetic backplate I've tested so far. And this opens up some interesting ways to use your phone. You could stick it onto a metal toolbox, a gym machine, some refrigerators, or other steel surfaces without needing a separate mount. But that extra center magnet comes with a pretty big trade-off. If you install it, standard MagSafe and Qi wireless charging won't work properly. ROKFORM specifically tells you to remove the center magnet before using those chargers. They actually include a second non-magnetic center plug in the box for exactly that reason. Personally, I'd probably leave the non-magnetic plug installed most of the time unless I specifically needed that extra magnetic strength, because otherwise, removing a magnet every time I want to use a normal MagSafe charger gets pretty inconvenient. ROKFORM does sell its own magnetic wireless charging stand designed for these cases, and that brings us to another big part of this case. That center opening isn't just for magnets, it's also part of ROKFORM's Rok Lock system. Instead of relying only on magnets, Rok Lock lets compatible accessories physically twist and lock into the back of the case. ROKFORM sells mounts for things like bicycles and motorcycle handlebars, along with accessories like its Rok Lock Sport Ring. So unlike most cases I review, you're not really just buying a phone case here. You're buying into an entire mounting system. And depending on how you use your phone, that could either be one of the biggest reasons to buy this case or something you never use. Moving around the sides, you get these large reinforced corners. They definitely make the case look more rugged, and ROKFORM says this case can protect the phone from drops as high as 6 feet. But of course, the real question is how well those corners actually protect the phone when it hits the ground. Along the sides, there's also a small dot pattern molded into the material, and this works really well to increase grip. There's plenty of grip without making the case feel sticky or difficult to slide into a pocket. The case uses a combination of polycarbonate and TPU, and overall it feels much more rigid than a lot of softer TPU cases I've tested. Moving to the buttons, almost everything is integrated directly into the case, and I'm very happy with how they feel. The power button has a nice click, the volume buttons have a nice click, and the action button feels good as well. Nothing feels soft or mushy. The camera control area is a little different because ROKFORM uses a removable button here, but in normal use, it still feels responsive and easy to reach. Around the front, ROKFORM uses a raised screen lip that stays the same height around the entire perimeter, and that's actually pretty unusual. A lot of rugged cases raise the corners higher than the sides. Other cases raise the entire top and bottom, while tapering the side lip downward so horizontal swipe gestures are easier. ROKFORM takes a different approach. Because the lip is more even all the way around, swipe gestures feel very similar no matter which direction you're swiping from. At the bottom, the USB-C port and speaker openings are completely open. There's no port cover to move out of the way. And the USB-C opening is wide enough that I was able to use larger USB-C accessories without the case getting in the way. The fit itself is also very secure. On the inside, there's a thin, fabric-like layer covering part of the backplate. It doesn't feel nearly as thick or soft as the microfiber linings I've seen on some other rugged cases, so I'm not sure how much impact protection this layer actually provides. It may simply create a softer contact point between the phone and the hard backplate, but before I start dropping the phone, there's one basic protection test I want to do first. Before the drop test, I first did a quick marker and white paper tilt test to see if the front lip was tall enough to protect the display during a flat fall. The ROKFORM Rugged Case passed this test without any problems, but a basic clearance test can only tell us so much. The real question is what happens when the phone actually hits the ground. ROKFORM says this case can protect an iPhone 17 Pro Max from drops as high as 6 feet, so I'm going to drop it from several everyday heights and see what happens. Drop number 1. By the way, if you like seeing these real-world drop tests and want to support the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Also, let me know down in the comments what case you'd like to see me review next. Alright, so this is immediately after 25 drops on camera. I actually did 10 additional drops from above my head that I forgot to film, so it's a total of 35 drops. Let's take a look at the outside of the case. A little bit of scuffing here from when it hit the walls or the paint. Not that bad. A little bit of wear. More importantly, let's take a look at the camera. Make sure that the lens is good, which it is. The sensors are good. Screen is still intact. A little bit of dust on the phone, but you can see here there's no cracks or anything like that. Camera plateau area looks good. Keys are good. So that's the ROKFORM Rugged Case. So, is the $70 ROKFORM Rugged Case worth buying? After 35 total drops, there was no new external damage, and my iPhone 17 Pro Max functioned the same as it did before. There are many things I like about this case. The sides have decent grip, the buttons feel great, the black backplate hides fingerprints extremely well, and the combination of MagMax magnets and the Rok Lock system gives this case mounting options that almost nothing else I've tested can match. But there are some pretty important trade-offs. The case is quite bulky, the clear version doesn't look nearly as clean to me as a traditional clear case, and if you want the maximum magnetic holding strength from the optional center magnet, you give up normal MagSafe and Qi wireless charging until you remove it. At $70, that also puts this case firmly into the premium rugged case category. So whether it's worth that price really comes down to one main thing, whether you actually plan on using ROKFORM's magnetic and Rok Lock ecosystem or not. So if you don't need all of these mounts and magnets and just want to know which rugged case gives you the best protection for the money, check out my comparison of the best rugged iPhone 17 Pro Max cases at every $10 price point right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.